Hello, wonderful guys. Today, we're showing you the top Amazon gadgets that'll level up your daily routine. These awesome tools will save you time, reduce stress, and make your day way more enjoyable. From kitchen helpers to smart home gadgets, these products will make life easier, quicker, and more fun. These must-have gadgets will totally make your life better. Stick with us. Mornings just got smarter with the Oster 2-slice digital toaster. With a sleek touchscreen, 6 shade settings, and a digital countdown timer, you'll get perfect toast every time. Need a quick peek? The quick check lever lets you check without stopping the cycle. Bagel, reheat, or frozen. It's got modes for that too. Plus, the removable crumb tray makes cleanup effortless. Upgrade your breakfast game because your toast deserves the best. Whether it's a casual breakfast or a special dinner, the Malacasa 18-piece porcelain dinnerware set brings elegance to your table. Crafted from high-fired Orki porcelain, these scratch-resistant microwave and dishwasher-safe plates and bowls are built to last. The sleek white design with a black rim adds a modern touch, while the space-saving stackable design keeps your kitchen organized. Plus, with a 12-month warranty, it's dining-made stylish and worry-free. Upgrade your cooking game with Snowflake technology. The hybrid nonstick frying pan set gives you the best of both worlds. Stainless steel durability with a nonstick surface for effortless cooking, with even heat distribution, PFOA-free materials, and a design that works on all stovetops. Every meal is a breeze. Plus, it's dishwasher and oven safe for easy cleanup. Cook with less oil, enjoy healthier meals, and make every dish shine. Keep butter fresh and ready with Kitchen Dough. This airtight butter dish comes with a built-in knife, easy scoop ramps, and a tight sealing lid to keep butter fresh and mess-free. With measurement marks, an anti-slip base, and dishwasher-safe design, it's the perfect butter keeper for your kitchen. One pot, endless possibilities. The Topwit electric hot pot lets you steam, fry, and boil in one compact design. With dual power settings, cook everything from ramen to steak effortlessly. The non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze, and safety features ensure worry-free cooking. Perfect for dorms, offices, and small spaces. Upgrade your kitchen with the 9-piece teak wooden utensil set. Durable, smooth, and handcrafted for effortless cooking. Includes a spoon rest and holder for easy storage, plus a leak hole to prevent water buildup. Stronger than silicone or bamboo, these non-stick utensils are easy to clean and perfect for stirring, flipping, and serving. A must-have for any home chef. Fresh, organized, and hassle-free. The LifeWit 25-pound rice dispenser keeps your rice fresh, dry, and easy to access with its airtight, moisture-proof seal. Simply press to dispense and use the built-in measuring cup for precise portions and easy rinsing. Its compact design saves space while keeping your kitchen neat and stylish. Store smarter, cook easier. Serve your burgers in style. Take your burger game to the next level with the Yukon Glory Burger Serving Set. Crafted from premium acacia wood, this set includes a sleek slate plate, stainless steel fry basket, and porcelain condiment cups. Everything you need for a restaurant-quality presentation. Perfect for foodies, grill masters, and burger lovers alike. Comfort and style in every step. The Key Mode Anti-Fatigue kitchen mats provide cushioned support for your feet while cooking or working, with a non-slip backing for safety. Waterproof and easy to clean, these mats add a vintage farmhouse touch to any space. Effortless corn prep with OXO. Remove corn kernels in a breeze with the OXO Good Grips Corn Prep Peeler. Its sharp, durable stainless steel blades glide through corn, while the ergonomic non-slip handle ensures comfort and control. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup.